Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a shell command is discussed here, and shell command is very important and very useful and helpful command. And guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 38 and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Guys, shell command is very useful and helpful or create a new design, and how to easily learn here a shell command is all process, and how to easily work and how to easily work and how to easily create a new model and new design create here. And let's start here. All process is learn here step by step. Okay guys, this is our SolidWorks interface, and this 3D body is designed here. And at first a 3D body is designed here, and how to easily use shell command in this body. Okay, at first click this face and sketch a at first normal, then click a corner rectangle is select here and draw a any geometry, and again select this line is a draw here. This is a perfect. Okay, all is correct, and some relation is this line, and press Ctrl button, and this line is a select and use a this line is a parallel collinear, and this is a parallel is a correct, collinear is also correct. Okay, and this line, and also press Ctrl button, and this line is a collinear, this is a correct. And some use a fillet command, and then okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, but this is a okay, this is a perfect. 112 is better. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and also use a fillet command, and this is a okay, and this is a 6 is 4 is correct, and also change the value is 6 5 is also correct. This is a better. Okay, all is perfect, and some relation is dimension is mentioned here. Okay, this distance between this is a 20 is correct, and this is also 20 is correct. Okay, but 15 is correct, and also 15 is better. Okay, and this length is a okay 1 10 1 1. Okay, and this length is also 1 10 is correct. Okay, and this is a gap between is 15 is correct, and also this line and this is a perfect. 32 is better. Okay, all line is black color means this line, all line is a fully defined. Okay, this is a fully defined. This is a change the value is correct, and this 120 is better. Okay, 115 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and 120 is also better, correct. All is perfect, and this is 35 is better. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect, and click okay, then exit. And some use a extrude cut command is used here, and this is a 75 is correct. All is looking better. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and some use a, this is a correct, and this is also 82 is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, this is correct, and click this face and a sketch and normal, and draw any circle is draw here, and this is a middle point is, this is a midpoint is draw here, this is a perfect, and also this is a draw a circle and exit and extrude cut is a up to next, this is a perfect. Okay, all is better looking here, and some fillet command is used here. Fillet is a this and this. Okay, this fillet is a fillet. Okay, this line is a correct, okay, not better, but at first this face is sketch normal and draw a corner, and this point, and this is a draw a this, okay, this is a perfect, this line is a looking better. Okay, this is a perfect line is drawing here, this all is correct, and exit and draw a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 5 means correct, this is a okay, extrude cut is a 5 is a better, and fillet side is a extrude cut is better. Okay, looking perfect, and then use a fillet. Fillet is this fillet. Okay, this is a this, okay, this not select here. Okay, this fillet command is used here, and okay, this is a perfect, this is a okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this fillet command is a constant size fillet, and then use a variable size, then use a face fillet and use a full round fillet, but at first select a constant size fillet and fully preview, and this is a 2 is better. Okay, 4 is also better, 3 is correct, and okay, looking so nice here. And again select this fillet command is used here, and this use a this one is correct, this is a super, this is a looking very nice, and also fillet command is used here, this and use a this is a 12 is correct, okay, very nice. Okay, this is a 10 is also better, looking very nice, and also this is a fillet command and use a 3, and this is a correct, all is okay, this is a correct, okay, all is design here, and then use a cell command is used here, and at first set thickness is a this thickness is a 2 millimeter, and use a this all face is select here, and also this face is select here, and okay, and thickness is 1 millimeter is correct, okay, click okay, this is a looking very nice, all is better perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and use a this, okay, all body is looking here, this is a correct, okay, this preview is showing here, this is a perfect, body is looking here, and okay, this is a correct, very nice looking here, correct. Okay, cell command is used. This is very nice looking here, and all is perfect. Okay, this is looking perfect, and all is okay. This is a correct, and use a for view. This is a correct, and also use a okay. This is a correct. Looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay. Okay, guys, cell command is discussed here, and cell command is very important. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a wrap command is used here, and how to use wrap command and how to work wrap command in Solidworks. And wrap command is a 3D command, and this command is very useful and helpful for create a new design. And guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 39 is discussed here, and lecture and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, all lecture is previous lecture, and all one by one is you can see here easily. All lecture is given here, and all lecture is available here. And today discuss here a wrap command, and this command is very useful and helpful. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and at first draw a 3D model. Then this model is used here a wrap command. Okay, at first this face is select here, and a sketch and normal. Okay, and at first draw a any center line. Okay, this is a correct. Draw okay, this is a correct, and draw a other line is a correct. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, and click a text command, and at first select this line is a correct, and also this line is a okay. Then one by one is click here. Okay, and this is a use a okay, some point is a okay. At first select this, and at first upper line is a better. Okay, this is a middle point is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and again okay, one by one is select here. Okay, this is a perfect, but this line is a delete here, and one line is a drag here. This is a this, and okay, this is a some upper side, and again select a okay, click this line and select a okay, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay. Okay, guys, some write this box, text box is a YouTube. Okay, and this is a CAD CA tutorial is written here, and this is a font is change. This is a bold, and 6 is correct, and also change here 8 is better. Okay, this is a okay more, but this is a 7 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect, and some. Okay, this is a all is correct, and all is perfect. Okay, and click OK and exit, and use a wrap command. Wrap command, at first select this face. Okay, this is a face is click here, and click a emboss. Emboss means this is a upward outside, and deboss means this is a inward downside, and this is a 8 thickness is correct, and this is a okay running here. Okay, this is a perfect, looking very nice. Okay, this is a correct, and this color is change here, and this face is a okay, this face is a blue color is better. Okay, okay, this is a correct blue color, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking very nice here, and this is a correct, and okay, next is a this deboss means this is a correct. Okay, this is a downward, and this is a perfect, all is looking very nice. And next is a scribe. Scribe means only boundary is okay, this is a correct, all is looking perfect, not outward, not inward, but only this is a this face is only correct, and use a emboss means correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice here, and all is a correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice, perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, this wrap command is discussed very easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.